Okay, so let's continue. Situation 37. So water daw, 2.4 m deep, flows at a rate of 12 cubic meter. By the way, notice the way I will solve the problem is like this. I will not actually present or I will not let you see the PDF copy baron or the solution directly and then just discuss the solution. Kay that way man good, you might be influenced with the solution or kanang during quiz lahi na no, if ever you see the solution or the problem and then for example for this problem you need to draw the figure or for other problems you need to draw the figure. By the time you see the solution ng good or by the time you see the problem together with the solution, ang idea na is you will not actually make a critical thinking apart since the solution is already there, no? Now, during quiz, wala biya ng solution during quiz. You will be the one to solve, you will be the one to draw the problem. So, most probably, it's important no nga as if, mura sa jud kuno hay nag-quiz ba or mura gud kuno hay og board exam ha. And then, kamo lang bahala sa inyo. I mean, kita na lang bahala sa to pag-draw sa figure, kana may nana. Okay, so anyway, for this one, this is very easy, no? So we have water, 2.4 meters deep, flows at a rate of 12 cubic meter per second in a trapezoidal channel, 3 meters at the base and 5 meters wide at the water surface. So evaluate now the discharge velocity in discharge velocity in meter per second. Now again, do not overthink. No nga, velocity, manings, o di ba? Itong mga manings. Do not overthink. No, notice, obviously, you have your general equation, di ba? You have discharge. You also have the cross-section of the channel. So you can actually use the area of the channel. So discharge is equal to velocity times area, di ba? So what we want is the velocity. Feedback lang, So anyway, what we want is the velocity. So very easily, you can solve the velocity by dividing the discharge with the area. Ano lang. And then, again, discharge is already given. Area will be the area of a trapezoid. Diba? So, direct sabra, I believe, direct sabra man eh. Sige. So, imagine ha, board exam. Diba? Bonus. Magmahay ka yun, no? Kung di ka canceran eh. So, anyway, discharge will be, asa naman to? 12 cubic meter per second. By the way, as much as possible, be consistent with your units. Anyway, we already have a cubic meter dire and all the other units man kay in meters man po. So, okay ra. So, 12 cubic meter per second divided by area of a trapezoid, 1/2. Base 1, base 2. So, that will be, base will be the width of the top and the bottom, di ba? So, I think I do not need to draw the figure for this one. So, that will be 3 plus 5 and then multiplied by its base 1, base 2 times height. So, the height will be the depth of the water, the deep of the water. Sorry. So anyway, we have our velocity nga 1.25. Again, very easy ha. So bonus day. So if this will come out in our quiz, obviously I'll just change either the trapezoid or either the depth of the water or the discharge. Ako lang ilisan. Sige, so I think that's it. Let's move on sa next situation.